In the next 10 minutes, I'll show you how to transform this boring document into stunning visual formats, infographics, presentations, social media posts, and more. Automatically branded, perfectly designed, and ready to share. This is Piktochart AI. While others wrestle with complex design tools, smart teams create professional visuals in seconds. I'll create a professional infographic about the future of remote work in as little time as possible. So first, you need to select your template format. In this case, I want an infographic, so I've selected that. And then you can either copy and paste or write your topic here. You also have a space here to add additional instructions if you want to, for example, describe the context, the tone, or just add some more information for better results. You can do that here. For now, I'm just going to go with this information here. And I'm going to click Generate Infographics. Notice I didn't need to worry about layout, colors, fonts, or images because the AI handles all of that for me. So you'll see here multiple professional options, publication ready with proper hierarchy, and visual flow. This is what it's generated for me. Multiple design options to choose from. And then here's the power move, transform existing documents. So you can upload any business document with our preserve content feature. All you have to do is switch to the document format. So first, select this option here, paste text /upload file. And then you can paste your context, drag or drop a file, or upload a document. I'm going to upload a document that I have here. This is a file sample. And then I'm going to hover over this option here, preserve your content, and click switch to documents. Select OK, and then generate. This is going to generate a beautiful infographic with all of my documents information on it. To the side, you can see that it's starting to generate several options for me to choose from in case I don't like the first design. And this is perfect for reports and proposals where accuracy is critical. Here is the infographic based on the document that I uploaded. And it has all of the information that I wanted from my document. It even included a table that I had in my document. And now I'd like to show you our AI-powered image tools. The first one is an image generator. It allows you to create unique, professional quality images, and you get to control whatever you want. For example, simply type what you want to create. Then select the AI model and the size and ratio. So in this example, you type a meeting at the office, and you could get something like this, or you could type a colorful beachside garden, and you could get an image like this. The next tool is an image modifier. You can use this to remove, change, or add new objects, or alter the visual style as needed, like in this example. Then we have an image upscaler, which allows you to instantly increase the photo resolution of your image. So you can see here, the quality is much higher. Our image restorer allows you to upload old images and restore them. The background remover allows you to remove backgrounds in seconds. And last but not least, we have the text remover, which allows you to instantly remove any unwanted text, watermarks, or logos from your images, like this. Once my infographic has been generated with Pikto AI and I've selected a template, I also have access to other customization options directly from this sidebar here. For example, I can change the color by selecting whichever color scheme I'd like. So let's go with Emerald Forest. And then I have this text content menu where I can change the output language. So I'm going to select Spanish. And then I can also refine my outline, which basically means that I can change the topics here or add a new topic. So I'm going to add a new point. So now I'm going to hit regenerate with new changes. And now my infographic is in Spanish. And it added the topic that I wanted right here. Let's say that I want to change this image here. All I'd have to do is click Change Image, describe the image that I'd like to generate, and then hit Generate Image. If I'm happy with the image that it generates, I would simply select Use Image. Now, let's say that I also want to move around some of these topics. So for example, I want to drag this down here. It's going to change the order of the topics. Or let's say that I want to add a new point in between points 3 and 4. All I have to do is click the plus sign here and enter my new point. If you want to save and further customize your infographic, simply click Save and Edit Infographic right up here. And that will bring you to the editor, which has professional editing capabilities. For example, the Icon Scout integration, which allows you to browse through thousands of premium icons for pro and business users. Or if you want to insert a custom chart, select the type of chart you want, and then import data from Excel/Google Sheets for instant visualizations, or you can enter the data manually. You also have access to team collaboration features such as sharing, commenting, and reviewing with seamless permissions. To share, simply click Share at the top where you can publish on the web. You have access to an embed code, which you can use on sites such as WordPress, or you can share directly to the different social media platforms shown here. You can also share privately with a password, so only those with a password can view your visual, or you can simply copy the link here and share it. You can also review and comment by clicking the comment button up here, clicking anywhere on the visual, writing your comment, and even mentioning a teammate, so that way they can review any changes that you've made. To download your visual, simply click Download at the top, select the file format as well as the quality, And if you want to download this as pages, select download as pages, or if you want a transparent background, you can select this option here as well, and then click download. Now let's check out the Piktochart dashboard where all of your visuals live. Click on home, and this is the dashboard. From here, you can organize your templates by searching for them, adding them into folders, or clicking here so that you can organize them alphabetically or by last modified. If you've shared your visuals with other team members or with another workspace, you can see that by following the symbol here. From here, you can also access any shared team templates and your brand assets. Now, if you want to go the manual route, you can browse thousands of readily available professional templates by category. Select all templates. This is the template library. You can filter by industry, style, or format. And here's the search bar. You can enter a keyword, and then you have plenty of options to choose from. So choose AI for speed, manual templates for control, or combine both. It's completely up to you. And with Piktochart, you don't just design faster, you communicate better. So try it today and see the difference.